Yeah, I am, and you're going in the video.
Don't. I don't want to be in the video.
What's good, YouTube? SRT Dave back with another banger video for you guys. It's so hot out here, but I gotta wash this thing. Look at the windshield. It's literally so dirty right now. First order of business is I gotta get my products. Then I'm gonna bring with me, get that bug out of here. Where's the rim cleaner? My dad be hogging it. All right, I need some wax. I need some tire shine. That's probably enough. I did the interior already yesterday, so I don't need that. Anything else here? That's probably it. I just need some rags now. I think these are clean. Yeah, these are clean. I also have some rags in my trunk that we can use too. We need to start this thing up so that it warms up for a little bit before we leave. It's been sitting all day. A little cold start for you guys. Gosh, it's like 1,000 degrees in here right now. We definitely got to put the air on. No cap. Oh my god, that's hot. I knew black got hot in the sun, but I didn't expect it to be this bad right now. Today I'm about to give you guys a video on how I wash my car. I usually wash the car at my house in my driveway, but that was back when I had all the time in the world to do it. Now my time is pretty limited because I'm working so much. So I'm gonna be taking the car to the self-wash bay. I'm sure all of you guys have these near you. So I'm gonna show you how to wash the car. You know, if you don't have a hose system at your house, or if you just are pretty low on time and you just take your car to one of these washes. We're on the way to the car wash right now. I'm probably just gonna pick the camera back up when we get there. It's not too far of a drive, but I'll see you guys in a second. Okay, get my wheel rags. All right guys, so first thing you're gonna wanna do, I always start with my wheels first. You're gonna wanna spray your wheels down with your wheel cleaner, but you only wanna let this sit on there for like 30 seconds. It is really abrasive if you let it stay on there, and it can get on the tire a little bit. So now I'm gonna start the wash up, and we are gonna start it off with pre-soak. Okay, let that sit for just another couple seconds while I spray this one down, and then we're gonna pre-soak the whole entire car. Just spray that little bit of wheel cleaner off and soak this wheel down a bit. Get that surface level dirt off there. Same thing with this. And then yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and start soaking down the whole entire car. It helps to get all those bugs off, all that like pollen and bird poop if you have it like I do. But yeah, we're literally just gonna soak this whole entire thing. You really wanna go top to bottom, even though I wasn't just doing it with the pre-soak. Okay, let me spray these wheels down real quick. Let that sit while we pre-soak. Over here. Really you wanna get the front, because that's where all the bugs are at. Let's knock some of this off here. Spray our last wheel here. My car's so dirty down here. Get the back. Get the rest of this off. All right guys, now that we're done with our pre-soak, we're gonna go to high pressure soap. There we go. And we're gonna wipe them off a little bit with a microfiber just to loosen up all that brake dust. It actually does help, even though it might be kind of weird. That's why you got 2 wheel rags that you brought with you though. Okay. top to bottom, just like I said before, with this high pressure soap. And then you want to try and be fairly quick because your timer is running here, but you want to get the wheels wiped off and at least get some of that dirt loosened. Get my wheel here again. Like I said, very, very basic. Continue on down the car to the last wheel. Now we're going to switch over to the wax. We're going to coat this whole thing in wax. It's almost like this wax is like rinse in a sense. Switch this to high pressure rinse. We're at 10 minutes, about 12 minutes on our timer. But yeah, now we're switching to our high pressure rinse. And now you're just gonna wanna rinse all that wax and all that soap off, top to bottom again. All right guys, I'm gonna stop this now because that's pretty much all we need to do here. My hand is sore from squeezing that power washer. Just a little summary on what we did. First, we started off with our wheel cleaner on our wheels, and then we pre-soaked the whole entire car. Then we used our high pressure soap. Then we followed up with the wax and then ended it off with the high pressure rinse. And the last thing that you guys want to do is definitely dry all this water off. You don't want to leave it on your car. I'm going to pop my trunk real quick, grab my rags, and I'm going to show you guys how I dry. Get my wax, second rag, an extra rag just in case. Okay, so you're gonna wanna make sure there's nothing abrasive on here that's gonna scratch your paint. And you're just gonna wanna start to go like this in long strokes and not circles. And we're gonna wanna try and get as much of this water off as we can. You don't need to get all of it off on the first try. As your rag is wet, you can squeeze it out and just keep on going. Like I said guys, I usually wash my car at my house, but I'm kind of limited on time and I daily drive this thing, so it gets dirty like the day after anyway. So this is really just kind of like a how-to wash your car to make it look good for, you know, with it being a black car, a couple days. You know, if you want to do like a super superior detail, there's no other better place you can do it than at your own house. Okay, now that you're done with the first wipe, you're gonna grab your wax. I'll use this turtle wax, wax and dry. Works pretty good for me. Wheel cleaner, I use this Meguiar's Hot Rims black wheel cleaner. Works good for me as well. Both of those you can get at Walmart, they're pretty cheap. So you're just gonna wanna spray the wax on the cloth, not on the paint, and wipe in strokes, just like this. And you're gonna wanna make sure that the cloth is damp at all times. So you're gonna have to respray. You're just gonna go along the whole car. Yeah, unfortunately, to get the best results, you're gonna wanna go over the whole entire car here. It's worth it. Take the extra 10 minutes it takes to wipe your car down after your wash. It's definitely gonna be worth it. All right guys, now that you're done with waxing the car, you're gonna wanna go through and now you're gonna wanna do your wheels. So I got another wheel rag here. I'm just gonna give the wheels another final wipe off. Like I said, unless you do these by hand, you're gonna have to wipe them off to get a good look. So yeah, I'm gonna go around, wipe off all 4 of these wheels. If you want your car to look super, super clean when you get in and out of it, you gotta clean the door sills, bro. You can't just do the whole outside, the whole inside, and then leave the door sills. All right guys, check this out. Look how clean we got this thing to look. With just a little bit of a wash. We didn't even go all out and this thing looks super clean already. Even our wheels. Check that wheel out. Super clean. Super clean, guys. All right, guys, we're back on the camera because the GoPro died and that thing overheats like crazy. We got the car all washed up. I'm gonna probably take pictures tonight when the sun goes down a bit. I'll post those on my Instagram, so follow me on Instagram if you haven't already at SRT_Dave. Those pics are gonna be fire. You already know I'll be posting fire pics on there, fire content on here, so that's another reason why you should hit the subscribe button and keep up with my content, especially if you like older Challenger stuff. Guys, we're done washing the car here. I hope you enjoyed the video. It's kind of my first tutorial kind of video, so if you guys like this content and want me to do more stuff, let me know down in the comments. Otherwise, I hope you just enjoyed this little video of me washing my car on this nice day, this nice Friday. And yeah, just stay tuned for the next video. It's SRT Dave, and I'm out.